hear me? Let me check. Oh no, audio is fine. You should be able to hear me. Okay. Let me fix the lighting a little bit. Okay. We're so back. Good morning. Good morning. Hello everyone. Do I need Discord? Probably no, but okay, let's keep it. Okay. Okay, let me close. As always, I forget to close everything that I will close before the stream. That's how we roll. Okay, and yeah, it's working now. Perfect. Perfect. Chat is not appearing for some reason on this screen, which is Celebi. That happens. It's fine. How do you like Omarchy? It's fine. So I'm using it for, I don't know, 2 days, something like that. It's cool that it is, so it's running for whatever, 2 days, uptime 20 hours. I will say it's fine, it's okay. There's plenty of problems which are kind of human problem. I didn't use Linux for many years, and even before it was like just kind of a little bit of trying, and then that was it. Like, didn't use it like for kind of real work, anything. But now I'm trying it a little bit more, and I have said that I like it. But again, I'll say that's kind of interesting, it's fun, but just kind of objectively kind of speaking, realistically, do I really need it for work? Kind of no. It's still more like hobby, I will say. Just for fun. Just for fun and to learn something new. So, I would like to work on multiple things. Omarchy is sick as fuck. I don't quite figure out the Windows system throws and got annoying. If so, I switch it to Zorion. Yes, Zorion. Yes, Windows system kind of moving around those windows is kind of super weird, I have to say. I got them in this kind of position as I wanted, but I couldn't just kind of move them around like 100% guaranteed always. It's kind of tricky for me. Yeah, kind of switching between screens, yeah, that's sure, that's okay, that's kind of easy peasy, that's fine, and that's convenient. But how to rearrange them here on this kind of screen, it's like, I don't know, it's quest for me. But generally it's, I don't know, I like it. It's not bad. Do I really need it? Probably no. Windows Meta K left mouse clicks you can drag around. Windows. Okay, Windows. Okay, I can drag it around, but will it drop it some? Oh, okay, that works. Okay, that kind of works. Yeah, that's probably is what I wanted to have here. Now I want to have this kind of like. Okay, it's not like. Yeah, it kind of works. Yeah. My colleague using Arch and is freaking wizard. Is how he was set it up and whatever Windows tilting system he uses. How are you fighting Grok bot? So that's the thing for today. I just installed it. I didn't even try it before, like for real. And that's probably kind of task for today. Can I type it here or something? Come on. Okay. I just installed it. Give each bot a job. Okay. What do you use every day? GitHub. Figma. Not really. Sometimes. Almost nothing from that, to be honest. Probably I'm happy to do not use all of that crap. Because most of that is kind of corporate things. Zoom, Salesforce, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Jira. Jesus. I'm happy to do not use any of them. Really? Okay, here we are. Create your first bot. Okay, we should give it a name. I don't know, something. Okay, let's give something silly. It will be Nick. Whatever. I didn't try it before, it's my kind of basically, I'm on trial. I don't know how much we can do with this trial, we'll see. But I'm kind of interested to see how it works, what can we do and so on. Hey Tanai, hello. I found it really good with reverse engineering task. It seems it has less guardrails. Interesting. What are you setting up? I just kind of added checkmark to GitHub and that was it. So what are we doing here? Jesus, I don't know what that thing is doing here. What the fuck? Can't reach your computer right now, check out connection and try again. What? Okay. What happened? Still setting up. I'm working on car ECU and we can upload bins from CAM dumps and it really just gives us a full exploit list. Huh. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, Paul, hello. Hey, my friend. How are you doing? I heard there's an Easter egg in Omarchy where if you open Liberwolf and type DH3 man kissing man and click the third link, you'll do a light show thing with the actual character model. Yeah, I'm not sure I want to see man kissing man. I'm doing well, thank you. What the hell? Can't reach your computer right now. Should we try to restart it? Oh, we need to start setup from again, one more time. New bot. Boba, no, Boba, no, Boba, I mean Boba. Labrid, good morning. 54 months, yeah, Jesus, crazy. I was having this issue with it not setting up on the free trial. Yeah, I am on free trial right now, and sure, I can try to install it on Mac instead, maybe. That somehow will help, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's try maybe on Mac. Maybe that will work. I don't know how do you do that. Here, Grok bot. Maybe that will work on. Maybe that will work on Mac. I don't know. Get started. Where can I get this? Where it is? Grok bot. Something like download. Is Grok. That's documentation. Grok bot App Store. Is that real one? Suspicious. Anisphere Corporation. Hi at cursor.com. Is that a real one? But that's iOS app anyways. Not interested. No, here it is. I'm trying to get Grok working. It clearly doesn't want to start working on Omarchy. Maybe it will work on Mac. I don't know. Okay, here we have it. Omarchy is based on Arch. Yes, right. We have to bite a bullet and pay for it. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's something like 300 something. I'm not sure about that. Robot sign in. Let's hope I have sign in data. I have no idea how I sign in it. Did I use GitHub? Maybe. Robot, you get a week of access on your current plan. Okay. Okay. My mouse is a bit drunk, but that's fine. Let's see, maybe it will work on Mac. So I will be kind of... that will be strange. Okay, let's skip everything. I would still like to go with Boba. It works here. What the hell? Why it works here, but didn't work on Omarchy? Okay, let's just click here, try again. No, we don't need to setting it up. We need just to get back to it. But I already set it up. Yeah, it doesn't really work here on... It's the same account, right? Okay, let's sign out. Sign in. Oh, maybe I used something different to sign in. Okay, let's go again with GitHub. I used email before, I see. No, I wanted to use GitHub. Sign in. Oh, no. What are we doing here? GitHub. Okay. Hello. Okay, it's not like end of the life. Yeah, it seems that new bot is not working. Let's try it one more time. Okay, this will be just Bob. Yeah, it's kind of refusing to work on Omarchy. C'est la vie. Back to Mac then. It's kind of, I don't know. It's, yeah, I was asked how I liked that Omarchy and so on. It's kind of interesting and fun to play around. It is interesting that games are kind of streaming games, and playing games feels like less heavy on it, for I don't know what reason, which is kind of strange. But for programming, yeah, it doesn't work. For programming, you know, I'm mostly kind of building iOS applications. For iOS applications, it just kind of works. Everything works like better on Mac. But that's mostly because I'm kind of, yeah, programming iOS apps. Okay, anyways. Back to the Mac, right? Where's my mouse? Here it is. Okay, we have our Boba agent working. Hello, friend. I assume we are friends. After you were laid off, did you find a new role? Are you still looking? I didn't find, and I'm not looking. Okay, where's my mouse? Okay, here it is. What do you think about using VSL as a development environment in Windows versus native Linux? I don't have a professional opinion because I do not use Linux for development work. I just kind of playing around with Omarchy now, and it's mostly for fun and like, I don't know, some kind of education. I don't really need it for work, I have to say. Yeah, I don't know for some reason, but Grok bot didn't work on Omarchy, but works just fine on Mac. What do you think, Silor? Basically, we are on the trial and Grok has about a week, this trial period, to make enough money to stay together. I don't know what Grok has to say on that. Got a week and I'm one who's make it go on. What's already on the table? Existing work, product clients. We're starting from zero. Okay, I think maybe Jesus. Hey, Passion Breaks, hello. How long have you been indie developer? How tough it has been, and what advice you will give someone quitting their job to go independent? Someone quitting job to go independent, I have advice: don't. You first want to get onto some kind of level of income before quitting the job, and I will say try to get on your kind of ramen kind of profitability before you quitting your job, because building applications and making money from them is not fast. It takes a lot of time to be profitable. So better to do that on parallel with full-time job. That's my advice to you. Okay, Sir, could you build up with clean Mac system data? What do you mean? I don't know. How long have I been indie developer? Full-time indie I am just for a few months. Part-time indie for last 5+ years. Jesus, where is my zero when I need it? Oh, right, I'm done. Current revenue is 0. You just launch. Will you build up which clean Mac systems that? Okay, understood. Yeah. That should be up for that, absolutely. I'm using a mall. Something like that. Yeah, mall. And basically you can basically clean disk space. You can Google and find it in GitHub. Oh, Jaron, hello, good morning. It's kind of midday for me, but yeah, good try. It's optimize, analyze, so you can basically explore your disk and clean it and so on. Okay, Hotcake. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate your feedback. I'm happy to hear that my silly videos are helpful. Okay, what Bob is doing. Yeah, we'll see. I'm curious. For example, if this kind of Grok bot are able to kind of earn money for his own kind of invoice, we can keep working. We'll see. I'm skeptical, to be honest, but why not? And I have to say I'm very disappointed that this Grok Boba didn't work on... Oh, actually, we can try to fix that, right? For some reason... Bloody mosquitoes. They hurt me today. Okay. Sales page first. Yes. Let's do sales page. What's going on? Where's my mouse? What's going on with you? Mouse. Okay, here we are. Hero right. How do you found that I have 47k on YouTube? Huh. Okay. That Boba is sneaky. He already figured it out somehow. He already figured that out. Okay, that... Okay, I like your plan and you're sneaky, already found YouTube, that's alright, but I don't want to run around and copy-paste markdown files. You need to take over the handling for that update on the website, or at least give me clear prompt for Cloud what to change. Cloud has access to all the development tools. What the fuck? I said already found YouTube. Already found YouTube. What? What? Oh, nice. We got fixed. Bobo is on Omarchy as well. Check this out. Nice. It works. Ciao, Eric. Hello. Hey, Eric. Swix. Which market do you think is more profitable for the developers? SaaS, web applications or mobile apps? It's not about market, it's about product and your ability to sell. Just keep in mind, so market, it's not like web or mobile applications, it's more like consumer applications or B2B applications, business to business applications, and then what is your product, and then what is your kind of sales skills. Can you sell to B2B, or are you better in selling to consumers and so on? And otherwise, there's no, I don't think that's a good way to kind of look at the market. Hey, which should I build? And yeah, with B2B, it's more like kind of sales calls and so on. With B2C, you to consumer, that's more like online marketing, stuff like that, you know. So you choose what is your cup of tea. Okay, what do we have here? What's GitHub URL for this thing? I think I had kind of GitHub for each side, but this specific project is actually too many keyboards today. I think we have all that's needed here. What's the most amount of time you spent on building an app before releasing? It doesn't really make a big difference what was the biggest amount of time, because those definitely were like first applications that I built, and that was for a while ago, you know, like I don't know when, it was for a while ago. And I have no idea, and it could be, I don't know, months, like, you know, multiple months. I think we will just go to the cloud and we'll say to do that, to do not kind of give left and right access to GitHub repo to each and every tool. I don't know, I probably should stick with one of machines, but I have cloud running on the Mac. Okay, I think this kind of prompt is okay. $5,000 actually is the right number, is correct. Okay. Okay, let's give this to Cloud. Cloud, where are you? Come back. No. No. Oh, we are talking about mobile up here. Okay, oh, I changed keyboard. I need to change Shift, okay. Take a look on prompt below. That's just my first take on it. I'm open for discussion and looking forward from your feedback on it. I would like to kind of hear what Claude will say before implementation, not just kind of following. Why not Synergy and stick with one mouse keyboard? I'm not sure if Synergy works with Linux, but I'm using the... What do I use? Flow something. Desk flow, yeah. That works as well, yeah. Synergy works with Linux as well. Okay. Yeah, it kind of works. I'm kind of... You know what I don't like? That Windows or Linux kind of keyboards and Mac keyboards are a little bit different. There is that super key and so on. And I know how to type on Happy Hacker's keyboard on Mac, but I have no idea how to use it on Linux. And yeah, vice versa. But yeah, I can use one. I can use one. It kind of works, yeah. Thought you are switching full-time to Linux because no reason. What do you mean full-time? I wasn't full-time on Windows before. And I am not full-time on Linux now. Basically Linux today replacing Windows for me. And with kind of, it's maybe a little bit better because we are able to kind of do some web development a little bit better, but generally it's still like yeah, but that's the same problem. The Linux has the same keyboard problem like Windows because it's not like Mac, right? You could switch layout to Mac. Yeah, probably. Okay, so still checking prompt. So its codex is kind of slow. Okay, we got something. It's a blocker. Hero promised what free plan can't do, right? So the stream is running from Linux right now. Is it better? Yeah, that's a question probably to you. Is it better or not? For me, I have a little bit love-hate relationships with kind of window layout. It kind of looks cool, but also you can basically do the same things on Windows. I don't know. It's kind of more like fun thing. There is no good reason to switch to Linux from Windows for streaming, I will say. But generally everything works, like Stream Tech works, streams are working. I can stream games, I can stream programming, I can capture video, audio. I will say that work with that Rode X thing, audio kind of whatever that interface is, that kind of works better, a little bit more stable. Because with Windows it was basically you kind of turn Windows on and just hope that it will see microphone and camera. Here it see camera every time. It also see microphone, but microphone is very quiet, so I have another microphone here. I'm using that one, so I don't know. Sound is different because we have different microphones. This microphone is going to the Mac, and I am talking into this microphone, just out of the frame. Here. So that's different microphone. Rode NTG video mic. Feels better. Yeah, I don't know. That's dynamic microphone. No, this is dynamic microphone. That's whatever. That's shotgun microphone. Basically, it kind of targets directly to me, and when I'm talking to camera, then probably it sounds better. I have no idea. Should be better. And we have web camera as well, which looks kind of horrible. But that's Logitech Brio camera, and basically right here next to it is microphone. Oh, I can show you. Check this out. Here. That's microphone. Looks like that. Looks a bit weird, but it works and do the job, you know. We have horrible camera, we have okayish camera, and we have two microphones. Yeah, cute guy hiding behind me. Here on this camera you don't see him. Here it is, hiding, yeah. Yeah, but that's horrible. How bad are those? Just your random web camera, right? Horrible. But, okay, I don't know, it kind of works, yeah. Where's your wife hiding? So that's big secret. Interesting, why don't we see chat on this screen? And this screen. Okay, anyways. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to change copy if that copy doesn't do what if this copy promises something that we are not doing. Can you give me please the description of like problems and whatever blockers that we have here in the copy? What is not correct description of the product, and also summary of the product, a little bit more than sales page shows, just explanation for copywriter. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of strange. Oh, nice Christmas songs. Da, 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 da. A little bit early, right? Oh, where's the chat went? I just dictated something, right? Give me back. Spaced. Yeah, that's old one microphone. It was back at home in Latvia, and I just bring it with me from vacation. Yeah. That's that old one. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of Windows. My take on Windows is that Windows is built for corporate offices and so on, and it is not built for gamers or streamers, but games and streaming software works on it. Is Linux better for it? I don't know, but it seems that it works stable for now, for everything, for streaming and for gaming, so I don't know. I don't have problems with it now. We'll see how that will go. Will I stick with it forever? I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, somehow I don't know where is my command button on this keyboard. I can't do that command tab here when I'm kind of taking over keyboard from Linux. Everything works? Oh, no, it works. Interesting. No, it works. It didn't work just a moment ago. But yeah, I don't know, keyboard sharing works, video works. If you really want to get shady, you should try Catchy OS or Buzzite in the future. Those are gamer-focused streaming OSs which work more natively for your use case, and it looks more like traditional Windows. Yeah, that's interesting. To be honest, I didn't have big problem with Windows. The one big problem that I had was this kind of RODIX, like video and audio capture card kind of connection. That was the problem, and with that basically I quite a few times just kind of did whatever. Screw it. No stream today just because audio or video doesn't work, you know. Currently with Omarchy it looks that it is working. How stable it will be, I don't know, we'll see. But kind of what I like here in Omarchy is that, for example, this kind of we had problem with Grok bot. It didn't start, and I just basically complained about that in built-in AI codecs, and that basically just fixed it. Basically here was a problem, some launcher overwrite. Basically it fixed it. Upgraded Grok from one version to another, reserved account, and yep. And it just started to work. It's working now. Kinda working. What are those buttons? Kind of you can do windowed or full screen. It's kind of weird, this interface, but okay. I don't know. AI that actually works, doesn't feel like Windows or MacOS at all. Yes, it's kinda cool, because also I I kind of didn't do most of the OBS configuration manually. I just basically said AI to do what I want to have, and basically I got it configured, burned a bunch of tokens, but kind of works out of the box, which is, I don't know, cool. Okay, what do we have here? Copywriter brief. Okay, here we have. Do we have, oh, here is copy button. Okay, copy. Let's see if we can bring it over. Oh no, we can't. Why? Doesn't copy? Jesus, what's going on here? Oh, okay, that was delete instead of backspace. It's kind of weird. Why can't you bring over the brief? Should we stick with Mac? I don't mind, but... Here you have detailed information about the product, how it works, and why. Seems that your suggestions in changes doesn't really echo with existing functionality. Hello, Instagram's algorithm is picking your content lately and you started appearing in my reels. That's interesting. Can you give me a tiny bit more details? What exactly content do you see? Because I'm kind of posting different stuff, you know? Please do not die here. Keep working. Keep working. It was the real when you mentioned coding by the hand is luxury. Okay, nice. That should be clipped from Fired by Robots podcast. Probably. Good to know. Yeah, thank you for sharing. That's interesting. Hey, Jerome. Hello. Oh, thank you. Jerome saying hey to folks. Okay. Yeah, interesting. We'll send when reconnect. How are we? Why are we not connected? What's going on? We have excellent connection. Boba, do you feel all right? Oh, Mr. Belinsky, hello. Hello. How are you doing? Mr. Grok bot, first impression is not great. What are we doing? Yeah, that's an amazing question. What are we doing? We're trying to kind of get into discussion with Grokbot, and for some reason it's disconnecting and I don't know, playing dead just to do the work. Okay, let's update codecs while we are waiting. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, codex is ready. That's kind of cool, but could we please get that Mr. Bobo working? I really like the statement as well, because I develop systems for work and develop personal apps. And for work I cannot afford to code by hand because they want things fast. But for personal app I can take my time and learn. Yeah, that's cool that you have kind of place and like billing for this kind of manual kind of coding, crafting applications. That's cool. Is it for internal use, your bot? No, it's Grok bot. It's from SpaceX, your favorite company. But somehow it's dead. Somehow it's more like dead than alive. Can't be that we have connection problems. Should be alright. We are alright. Yeah, we are alright. That's definitely bot itself. Let's see, maybe that recreation kind of will help. I don't know. Let's try. And dude, I'm on Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi. I'm not even connected to the cable. Yeah, look at this flex here. That's Wi-Fi at home. And then I'm kind of hearing, oh, when you are streaming you should be connected to the cable. Yeah, maybe. I don't know, we are kind of dead here. Nothing works. Should we switch to another task? I really wanted to give the Bob a chance to make some money to pay the bill, then we can stay together longer. Can I just say something? Hey, hey, hello. No? We'll send when reconnect. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Restart? Let's try. Maybe that will do something. Hi from France. Bonjour. Bonjour. Yeah, Skynet. Is it? Yeah. Please don't tell me that we are kind of need to start from everything from zero. Yeah, exactly, Terminator. That's how it started. Cursor sign now and didn't finish. What the hell? What the hell? Do we really have some connection problems or something? Or I don't know. Or that's Mr. Grogbot is not feeling well. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Let's try, maybe we still have a live session on another machine. Basically the same problem here. Let's try to recover. But seems that it's just very kind of not feeling well. Is it local app? Yeah, of course. What do you mean by local app? Is it installed up on device? Yes. I'm not sure if you can use Grok bot in cloud. Yeah, it's dead. Or maybe we have some kind of connection issues, right? It's opening so... Or that's basics domain. Because here Netflix works just fine. Let's see, just, I don't know, random YouTube, let's say. Oh, something is not good. Something is not good. Maybe it is on my side. Why is stream still working? Why test is alright? Something with DNS or something? What happened? Oh, maybe Cloudflare has some kind of real kind of global hookups. Good morning. Is it paid version of Grok? I'm on trial. It seems that there could be some Cloudflare host error or something. Maybe Cloudflare has some problems, I don't know. Let's see, X. No, X is working. X is working. Ah, Pavel is testing Grokbot as well. Okay, okay. Jesus. Okay. Let's try. Maybe hiccup is ended. Continue to your browser, okay? Really? Cloudflare domain DNS proxy or SSL issues. Yeah. It is something like that. It seems that now it's kind of getting better, still not working fully. Okay, let's kill it. Come on. Die. Robot. Okay. And let's reopen it, just to see what will happen. Because so many cursor pages open. Yes, that's still me, Let's go. Yeah, YouTube is working now. So it was some kind of, I don't know, something broken. Oh, no views on this video. That's from my another channel, actually. Okay, I will watch till the end. Okay, Grok, how are you doing? Still signing, not finished. It's so painful when you want to do something, you know, like that. And well, I guess we should switch to something else. I guess we should switch to something else. Yeah, can't sign in. Okay. Oi, what's that? No, actually, you know, I could use cursor for that next task. Codex, I mean. Probably we have a little bit too many kind of AI tools. Loop blind. Yeah, we had shitty app icons, I remember that now. What is our status bar? I don't remember, did we make screenshots or not for App Store? Because I was kind of sidetracked with all the other iOS apps. Oh, talking about sidetracked. I should release update. Yeah, it seems that App Store works slow as always, but works. Oh, and actually here we can kind of ask some reason. Yeah, App Store is just amazing, amazing. True kind of best tool for app developers when it opens. Oh my god, can you please? Okay, here recommendation: open settings, update, restart Grok's computer. Okay, let's try settings. Settings. Okay, settings. Usage and billing. Real usage 2% already. Sheesh. Here we have reset Start fresh if computer gets stuck. Okay, maybe that's the problem. Okay, we are setting. Now we are kind of killing the app and reopening it. Is that like normal state of work for Grok? Well, at least you know it's same. Glitchy on both systems, macOS and Linux. Okay, Grok, where are you? Come back, talk with me. Where are you? Oh, okay, here it is. Let's test. I will. Yeah. Just see if it works. Will send when reconnected. It doesn't sound good. It's not connected. Retrying. Reconnecting to your computer. What happened? It was just working fine and cursor status, all systems operational, no incidents for Grok, what else not? I don't know, where did you go? Okay, here we are. Scan to get the app. Generally, kind of works. It's sad. Let me tell you so. It's not cool at all. Hey, hello, coding power. Funny thing I've seen lately is someone made Cloud write a driver for their old printer to work on their Mac. That's cool. That's cool for sure. That's cool for sure. Okay, on the positive side, the App Store Connect also doesn't work. So the Grok is not the only one which has a problem. Oh, Boba is back. Boba is back. So good. Oh, let's see, is it back on the iOS as well, or that's only here? Boba! Can we sign in on Mac as well? Yeah, it's back. Did you know Boba means silly stupid in Colombian Spanish? It was lucky guess, you know. It sounds like that, you know. I believe you. It sounds like that, like something silly. Boba. Okay, it works currently on kind of both machines, which is kinda okay, cool. Does the free Gates one-time App Store import or does connecting to store say indie only? If Gates stays free, is there... Okay. Okay. I still can't see loop lines and GitHub upgrades as before. The copy now is right. Okay. We can give it a try, to be honest. We can give it a try. It's kind of I can give this to the cloud to basically rewrite the little bit improved copy. But after that, you know, that copy is kind of not a game changer. There should be some kind of marketing action. I think we could give it a try to the like newsletter subscribers, just to inform that such thing kind of exists. And maybe that will help to kind of bring more users to the app. Currently there is something 30 plus, 38, 35, something like that, indie developers already using product. So it's not that no one is using it, but that's not many users, let's say so. And currently I have 0 paying customers for this product. Probably that I should blame myself because free product is good enough, and that's fine. But yeah. Okay, Cloud is working now on that copy. The thing what I am thinking about this product, what I would like to do for myself and for other indie developers as well. So currently we are collecting feedback from users and kind of updating status in the applications using SDK. But that could be nice to have like web page, like public roadmap. And that web page also could be sales page, so we could just automatically fetch screenshots from App Store listing and just kind of understand what this application is about from the App Store listing and dynamically build the web page, like sales page or landing page for those applications. What do you think about that? Will that help for sales? Will that be more like unnecessary complexity and so on? Okay. Copy is in order, modifiable comment, put down. Okay, it's this already working on kind of page update. And hosted roadmap URL for your own. Yeah, makes sense. I was kind of thinking about that as well, because I was thinking so that maybe it could be nice to kind of give option to like create landing pages, but my kind of gut feeling is about the same like what Bob is saying, that those landing pages will look like super simple and cheap, and probably doesn't make sense to make it. To be honest, I have to agree with Boba on this. I think Boba is right. Yeah, what's going on here? Okay, you're still checking. Okay, good. Keep working. No rush. We have a few more business days. No rush with that. I think I have, let me see. I think I was using Be Here, but I don't remember how I'm logging in there. Maybe using this email. No idea. Let's see. Let's do not share all my passwords, just few of them on the stream. Yeah, I was using. Found it. I was using another kind of email for newsletter. I have copy updated, right? I don't know. That basically we moved this kind of current feedback board up. Is it cool? I don't know. Maybe as a developer, I feel that this part is kind of more cool, but I don't know. But let's give Bob a chance, right? I'm not salesman. Maybe Bob is. Let's try. Let's give it a try. Jesus, mouse feels like drunk. One thing with those kind of sharded mouses between machines, it's sometimes it kind of feels like, I don't know, floating, like, I don't know, a little bit kind of drifting. Which do you prefer, cloud or codex? You know, that depends when you ask, you know, because they're kind of changing all the time. I will say that cloud Fable agent feels like really great for like planning for months forward, you know. Codex feels kind of less sloppy with programming. That's how it feels today. Okay, let's give Bob a task. let's add pressure, you know? Let's add pressure. Just remind Boba that his life depends on the success of this project. Yeah, all the new icons what we have were worse than whatever existing ones. Basically, we don't have good candidate. We need another better icon. I will do Xcode clone configuration, that's fine, and yeah, seems that's about it. Yeah, you will need to create test account for the App Store review team if you don't have one already. Oh, come on. I got distracted. Where's my text? Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. That email sounds super generated like AI written, but it is. But I don't know. It's not even good draft, to be honest. If I will receive it, I probably will read first two lines and then just drop it. I don't know. Do you feel it's kind of perfect sales pitch? Best copywriting example? I hardly believe in that. I don't know. Yeah, kind of giving kind of AI kind of tasks to do creative work, it's kind of, it's lame, you know? If you don't, I think so, if you don't want to spend time writing those tweets on your own or those emails, why should I spend time reading them, right? And basically now I'm on that kind of writing side of it. However, I'm not kind of just copy pasting AI kind of written whatever email script or what else not, but we could get at least some kind of draft. Nah, I will write that email by myself, it's kind of... I will write that email by myself. Anything else you want or could do? be honest, I'm not impressed about that copywriting skills. As I said, I'm kind of not a big fan of AI kind of created content in general, but this is kind of it's not good. If you will ask Cloud to write that email newsletter, I think Cloud could do better job. It's still kind of same thing, you know. I don't really want to kind of give AI to write the emails, but generally, if you want to get some draft, I think Cloud will do better job. We can try. So the next step for the marketing probably could be newsletter, email. What do you think about that? And if you agree, could you please write a draft for the copyright kind of email, for marketing? Jesus, my English is broken. Copyright kind of email for marketing. Whatever. Cloud is smart, he'll understand. Hello. I'm doing well, thank you. Hi George, I'm doing great. I am doing great. Yeah, we need better icon. Basically, there was kind of suggestion. Those were basically suggestions for the app icon. That's just horrible. That's horrible. What's that? Simple icon directions. Jesus. Okay. Let's see, I'm curious to see how Cloud can do with this kind of email writing. I was in Romania for a week without my computer and had a detox from AI and coding. Oh, that's nice. Going to the trips or vacations or somewhere else without computer doesn't help anymore, because you can basically kind of jump on phone and talk with AI agents. So I do that periodically in gym. But yeah, I got your point. That's cool, yeah. That's cool that you did that. That's super cool to get that kind of detox kind of thing. Okay, let's see what Cloud is saying. Email infrastructure facts first. My take, agree on email, but sequence it by leverage. Day 0 welcome activation email. Founding offer note, newsletter proper later. So see, Cloud already kind of doing kind of better work here, like kind of thinking deeper, you know. So basically that's activation, welcome activation email. That's for everyone who just kind of new person joining to the email newsletter. That's already kind of deep thinking, you know. Not just like here, Boba said, oh, okay, let's just write email. Hi guys, I have product to sell you, buy it here. It's way deeper. So here it's already just for every kind of new subscriber on the email list. Then we have founding offer note. That's on day 5. When someone subscribed to the email, we can say that. And then it's basically proper kind of newsletter kind of email, which is already kind of way deeper kind of thinking. I was here, and And this is basically already kind of readable piece of, actually, this looks already like, it's solid draft already. Basically, you can take bullet points from here and just rewrite in your own kind of voice, and that's good. So, yeah, I will say if we comparing here, Claude and Grok, both it's, I do not see why should I pay for Grok bot here, because Claude kind of doing better job. Yeah. Claude is unmatched in reasoning. Yeah, it is, yeah. It is good. My result just declared I have cleared my second semester of masters. Nice, congrats, Tanay. So that's summer holidays is starting for you, right? That's nice. Are you running ad campaigns for your applications? Periodically I'm running those, how you name them? App Store search ads. I do those. And I am planning to do also Google ads next month. What are we doing with this app review email here, actually? Ah, I understood. That's for App Store review. Understood. Okay. That's fine. What are you complaining here for indie developers? Create your developer account. Free to start, no card. Okay. What problem are you highlighting here? What? Fix labels, we will treat as private beta. Do we have private beta anywhere? I don't think so, but we'll check. I asked this before because I had fired from company where I worked for 7 years as mobile developer. Jesus. Now I have 10 applications on App Store and don't know how to grow it and how to make money for living with it. Ay, Jesus, dude. Sorry to hear about that kind of... Yeah, this happens all the time. Jesus, you're working for a company for 7 years and then they're just saying you, okay, Sylvie, thank you for your work. I'm really sorry about that, but that happens all the time and that sucks. With ads, that's kind of tricky. I will pick one application which is kind of most promising, basically getting the most downloads or the best conversion rate and so on. And I will try to kind of push that application, and then I will take a look, what should I improve? Is it conversion from downloads? For example, if you have, let's say, 100 downloads in a whatever week, and only one sale, so then that means you need to improve sales, basically conversion from free users to paying customer. If none of your application has decent kind of downloads, you have to work on marketing. First, you have to see what is your kind of conversion rate from the App Store kind of page view to download. If that is bad, again, fixing that. If all of that is still okay, but you still don't have just traffic is the problem, I don't think just buying traffic is the best thing to do. You should start first to understand where your audience hanging out and try to promote that application by content marketing. Maybe that's writing on X, maybe that's creating TikToks, maybe that's going to the Reddit groups and talking with potential customers. Because just throwing money to the marketing without understanding what exactly should be your marketing message to reach your audience is just burning money. So start with research and kind of content marketing, I would suggest that. And then when you see that some of that content is working, you can start to throw money to that content to kind of promote it even more. And that's your marketing. That's how I will do. Okay, couple of months I have some active subscriptions, but not enough for living. No, I should start learn marketing. Yes. I totally understand. For us as a developers, it's kind of marketing is hard part, but the problem is if you want to be developer, then you should go and work as a developer for someone who will do sales. And that may be another company which will lay off you in a year or 2 or 7. But I think that's basically the only way. Sure, you can kind of try. There are kind of like, I don't know, exclusions, let's say so. And when someone building kind of great application and just focusing on development and do almost no marketing and getting successful, but usually it is not. Usually, if you have good marketing and even shitty product, then you will make money. If you have amazing product but no marketing, you will struggle making money. That's just how it is for now. There was a period of time when it was hard to make applications. Currently, it is hard to make good applications, but it is very easy to make shitty applications. And there are a lot of shitty applications with good enough marketing to get most of the downloads. And we, with our good or great applications, will just sit and wait for a miracle, you know. Oh, that's coffee, probably that's not. Probably that's cheating for hydrate, so that's water. Can I make applications for you? I'm struggling artist as well. This doesn't look like Omarchy. Oh, it does. We have 2 different machines running. So Stream runs on Omarchy. Problem is that I wanted to use Cloud, Codex, Boba all together. So we switching from one screen to another. Where's my Boba? Here is Boba. So it is. It is no cheating here. That's Omarchy. And that's Grok bot. But I have to tell you, the cloud is so good actually. It's very good. It's really very good. Let me see, can I get cloud on Omarchy as well? Probably we have. Will that install application? Actually, I wanted cloud up. But okay. Honestly, I wanted cloud like up, not like cloud in terminal, but I'll say it's better than nothing. How you can? Okay. Bypass permissions mode, really? Why? Okay. But anyways, I wanted to open cloud in like app. So we should go to the Chromium probably and download it. Cloud. Jesus. Localhost. Amazing. Not authorize, just Cloud AI, Jesus. Can I download application or something? No, I want to download the Cloud app, download, yeah, exactly. That's what we want. Download for Linux. Yeah, this will be it, I think. How do we write it? Oh, I know. We can do like that. No, like that. Oh, command not found. Shit. Jesus. Let's try to fix that. Hi Hilsey. Can you give some advice how to be hired as freelance developer? I have 4 years of background in the field and still can't have call or interview for any job or freelance projects. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, you know, currently, because market now is shitty. For me, I would say that having personal brand definitely helps, because when I just say that I lost my job, I was reached out by 3 different companies, basically, which were asking, am I interested in kind of job? That helps for sure, but yeah, personal brand is not something that you can build in one day. So I spent quite a few years shit posting on the internet to get where I am now with that following thing. But besides that, I would say Upwork. Upwork was place where I started. Is it good place today to look for jobs? Honestly, I don't know. I didn't look in Upwork for jobs for many years already. LinkedIn, I will say, is second best or first best where to look for jobs because I don't know, there are plenty of companies, there are plenty of agents who are looking for developers. But again, market situation currently is shitty. I will say that would be better if you were looking for jobs 2 years ago, you know, and nowadays still have those kind of contacts and everything. Again, bad advice, but it is how it is, you know. And I'm not the best person to tell how to find freelance job today because I was not looking for new freelance projects for last, I don't know, 3+ years. Because even when I had kind of new projects, those were customers coming to me, not me going and looking for customers. So, yeah. Sorry, but I can't like give you like real advice how to deal with that. Market is shitty now. When it will be better, I don't know, who knows. Yeah, the one thing that I really like about this Omarchy, you can basically tell built-in AI tool what you would like to achieve, and it will go and do that for you. I basically ask it to kind of install ChatGPT application or Codex, and I ask it to install Cloud client, and here we are basically getting them, which is dope, you know. Installed Codex, desktop, installed Cloud, desktop, done. Which is cool, you know. Which is really cool, because before I got kind of... okay, I don't need this, I don't need that. And I just want to open regular Cloud app. Here we go. Perfect. Nice. Hey, did you switch to Linux? It's like, I would say, experiment. It's like experiment. Your sign-in won't be saved of this device. Install and unlock system keyring. What the hell? Dual boot. I still have Mac as well. No, I don't have dual boot for Mac and Omarchy. That's just on my Windows PC. Windows PC was used before only for streaming and the gaming, and I can do streaming and gaming on Linux as well. Plus, Linux could be used for like development as well, so I'm just playing around with that. That's a necessary thing, just to make everything a little bit more interesting, you know. And currently, this stream is basically running from the stream is running from Linux, which is kind of cool, yeah. Okay. Let's try to open Cloud again. Welcome back, Ivers. Hello. I see. We don't have any kind of synchronized kind of chats. Basically, all the chats are local on my Mac. Chats are here, but I was hoping, to be honest, that it will synchronize my chats between Mac and Linux, which could be cool. What's your monitor size? I have two 27-inch monitors. On the right I have gaming, some whatever, Ultra Gear 27-inch 1440 180 Hz monitor. On the left I have 27-inch 5K Apple Studio display, but resolution-wise they are basically the same, but Apple Studio display, it is 5K, so it basically just do whatever double pixels for each kind of point on the monitor. But if you're basically dragging windows from one to another, they are looking like the same size, you know, proportions are the same, resolution obviously is different. So Apple Studio display is sharper. Cloud CLI has a command, call it desktop, which moves the chat to the cloud desktop. Ah, interesting. In this case, it's so the problem is that we have the chat on Mac in cloud desktop, and we have chat and basically cloud desktop on the Linux. Have no idea about this chat. So here I have cloud desktop here. Sorry, I'm not sharing screen. We have cloud desktop here. This cloud desktop has no idea about chats on the Mac. That's the problem, if we can say that it is a problem. Not sure. Okay. Here is the one. Just let's give a feedback to Boba. Those chats would only think if the cloud code is on the cloud, not local. Yeah. It's not that important. It's just kind of could be nice to have more freely to jump in between machines, but it's not really kind of necessary. Basically, Bob is doing that. I mean, Grok bot. You're not using that email. I don't know, it's kind of getting bored a little bit, to be honest. It's getting a little bit boring, because it's marketing probably, I don't know. created simple candidate icon. F thread is Ember endpoint. Inspired by clarity of Trello and Asana. Okay, what icon Trello has? Show me. I'll say this is fine. It's a nice icon. What Asana has? 3 dots. All of them looks better, to be honest, than our F. What's that? Facebook? What are the best Grokbot things you have found so far? Or new to it? I'm new to it. That's first day using it, and so far looks like just another AI kind of bot. I don't know. I do not see how it's right now. I do not see how it's better than Cloud or Codex, to be honest. And price, I think, is more expensive, right? Oh, look how it's 300 or something. Maybe I'm not using it in full potential. Grokbot. Super Grok 30, Super Grok plus 100. Okay, it's not that more expensive. The big difference is it runs on own computer and space cloud. Yes, that's kind of nice. Agree. I agree on that. I agree on that. That is nice. And also I can basically kind of have that running parallel right now on Linux and macOS and basically keep the same chat going. That's nice. But I don't know. Yeah, maybe my Grok model is not the best, but currently it doesn't feel like kind of super smart. Generally, I can see that point that it runs on his own kind of computer. It is great. It is great, and you can basically kind of give it a task, and you can basically connect from mobile or from any computer that you have, and just kind of manage it. That's nice. I agree. Oh, Marco, hello. What's Grokbot? Just another AI tool. Just another AI tool. It's kind of... If you're kind of looking on it, like on chat, it's basically kind of can do things. But the problem is that when you kind of... Okay, when you are offline, any of AI tools doesn't work, to be honest. But yeah, it kind of runs on its own computer. That's probably, as I was told, that's correct. That's a good kind of thing. But no. Let's ask Grok itself, what is your... Let's do this kind of job interview, right? Why you are... Why are you the best candidate to get this job? Let's do the job interview, you know. Challenging question, really? Boba. I'm not a better copywriter, you already saw that. Yeah, Claude's email plan was better, that's true. But I am is one who's... but I am is the one who stays. Cloud is the cloud wires appear and leaves, ChatGPT gives you paste. I already have the gates. Sleepy but still staying private. If you want someone who remembers the product next Thursday and checks whether... Okay, nice pitch. Okay, copywriting is going to cloud, right? Jesus. So Bobo is trying. Bobo is trying. Okay. Okay, you can keep the job, but keep in mind that we are on 1 week trial and you have to earn money till the end of the week to be able to pay the bill and stay with this job. You can work, you can choose another project to work on if you do not feel that you are the best fit for this one. This was one of my first quests, but maybe you would like to choose anything else from product portfolio. You can see all the apps, all the products on sleepybytes.com. Let me know, what do you think? Or you have new bright idea to work on something? I don't mind that as well, yeah. Weird answer, indeed, yeah. So we currently are on Grok bot beta, and that poor thing has 1 week to basically find the money. Corporate background coming out. Absolutely, absolutely. I'll took out the whole lineup and pick where we can actually turn into cash. Feedback thread stays in the mix. Okay. I wouldn't start the 15 up. Yeah, I don't think so, that's a good idea. Okay, Grok is saying that Grok will not compete with Cloud in the copywriting. The week job is up now. I will say that apnea is smart pick, but we already have feature-rich application. We did paywall optimization, price optimization, and currently there is no need to do any work on this application in this week. What are we working on? We are basically pushing Motolog application by content marketing. I have started YouTube channel for it. There is Motolog on YouTube with few views on videos, and we are launching new feature which is points of interest. Application update is already submitted for review and we are waiting for review to release that feature. So if you can work on marketing for that and look on kind of general functionality, that could help. Needs a job really bad. Yeah, and there is high pressure, you know. It's 1 week trial. I think Boba would like to keep living beyond this 1 week, you know. Very optimistic, yeah, picking the easiest one to work on. Absolutely, I will do the same, yeah. Looking what's actually live. Okay. Yeah, good job. I can share actually. Yeah, for me it's still easier to work on Mac, to be honest, but that's mostly because I have all the history work here, and to be honest, I have to say that if your main kind of job is like mobile applications, I don't think you need Linux. I don't think it's needed, actually. Can we somehow copy that? Let's just do this kind of. I'm using that Linux kind of just for fun now, but to be honest, mobile app developer kind of don't need it. Foxbit, macOS beats Linux every day. Yeah, no one needs Linux. Yeah, it's kind of, I'm happy to play right now with that Omarchy, but I kind of keep asking myself kind of, okay, why? Do I really need it? No, absolutely not. Can I play games on Windows? Yes. Can I stream on Windows? Yes. Can I build products on Windows? I don't, but I'm using Mac for that anyway. So I don't know really. Just following the hype, maybe. I don't know. Waste of time. Yeah. You're right. So yeah, here is what we currently kind of building. So there is like, you can basically add like points which you want to kind of travel around, share it with friends, see friends, like trip plan. So for example, if you're coming to Bangkok, you will be able to basically see my kind of favorite places and travel around them. It's not necessary to use motorcycle, I do, but getting around in Bangkok on scooter is the fastest way to do that. Not the safest probably, but fastest for sure. And yeah. If rather luck is the wrong channel, say so. Okay, let's. I like your initiative. I like it. Okay. Let's go. Chromium, YouTube. YouTube Studio. Now let's go. Switch account. This one. Jesus, I don't even know how to make screenshots. I don't even know how to do screenshots. Private. Yeah, but you're right. Share privately. Okay, I will do it unlisted. And now I can copy the link. Where is share button? I think this should be it. Okay. Let's try to find where are the Boba's talents. If you already have Mac, then yeah, don't have a Mac desktop, so Linux means Windows for development, specifically Docker, because of containerization software running inside a virtual machine. This is so low. Print screen. I don't have print screen button. I don't have print screen button on this keyboard. I have home and page up, page down, insert. Yeah, that kind of sucks, but we are missing that button. Insert button for screenshot. Yeah, I should do probably the same thing. Question is, will I stick with this? Watching it rows before I name it. Okay, interesting. You can watch videos. That's nice to have such skill. No, actually, why did I close it? Yeah, starting new channel from zero is just kind of not easy. I got few views on shorts, like, okay, 500, 700, but also there are shorts with 6 views, 2 views, and so on. Not easy. Long form videos, 6 views. Oh, Jesus. Probably thumbnails are not the best as well, but I don't see myself kind of spending a lot of time and energy on thumbnails. Yeah, actually that's a good idea. How to The one thing that I like here is just basically you can open terminal, basically codecs. It's just so it will not only answer the question, but it will just basically kind of do that for you, just do that mapping, which is super cool. Do you want to join my GitHub company where we share everything local AI related, like building local AI agents, working with system prompts? Also plan to share coding in the future. Yeah, sure, why not? I will do that. Those are things that I am kind of interested. I installed local AI actually on my Windows machine, but it was before vacation, and after vacation I was busy kind of doing all the things, and basically it went kind of nowhere. Oh, interesting. Currently, I have YouTube Studio opened in Chromium. Are you able to handle those changes for me? About last 20 seconds, I think that's safe because I cut kind of part when I am coming close to the home, and then that's just home, which is kind of not really recognizable. Oh, but this. I got cold coffee. So nice. So nice to have a lovely wife. Super cool. Yeah, actually the thumbnail is not bad. I was kind of thinking about this using as a thumbnail because we have that motorcycle in the frame, and here is kind of pickup truck with NOS bottles in the trunk. That's kind of fun. You invited me. Oh, thank you. I will take a look. I think I should do that off stream. I don't know. Or if that's kind of like public open thing. So good. Opening studio now. Google asks if you need to sign in on. Okay, I don't see. Oh, yeah, I understood that. That's basically computer on. That's Boba is using browser on his own computer. Understood. So we will need to sign in there. Okay. And start to upload later today. Okay. Okay, so we will do that on. We'll do that on Mac. Here's my cursor, my Mac cursor. Okay. Signing in kind of takes more time than I would expect. Favorite breakfast? I don't know. I'm kind of mixing. Sometimes it's just, you know, like protein shake. I'm not breakfast person, let's say so. That's the thing, you know. But today I basically ate 4 scrambled eggs with a little bit of ham and onions and garlic and kimchi. That's it. I don't see code. On your machine? What do you mean by you don't see code? You can't read only code? Or you... You should check product called Synergy or Seamless. I used Synergy from basically version 1, and currently they are on version 4 or 5, something like that, I think. Yeah, I'm currently using, I already forgot, like Desk Flow. It kind of works, but it's a little bit glitchy. Maybe Synergy is better. I used Synergy for a while ago back in corporate job, and I used Windows for corporate work and MacOS for project kind of planning and everything. That was kind of good. Yeah, I don't understand why we can't log in. Do I really have wrong password here? Oh, finally. Check your device. Apple iPad Pro. Apple iPad Pro is not around me. Okay, I got notification from YouTube as well here. I saw you. Yes, that's me. Let me confirm it. Oh, that's a phone. Okay. Yes, it's me. Yes, let's go. Oh. Okay, done. Okay. So yeah, I can use this kind of one keyboard mouse across both devices, and it kind of works. But I don't know, clipboard is not working always. It's kind of glitchy. I use it barrier on the. I used barrier before on between Windows and Mac. But I think it's not updated for a while already. But it works. Relatively stable. Last update 5 years ago, but it kind of works. And it's based on Synergy as well. But yeah, forked from Desk Flow. But Desk Flow basically is still getting updates 2 weeks ago and so on. Currently I'm using Desk Flow, and I can move basically mouse. Here we have mouse on the Linux, and now the mouse is over to the Mac. But sometimes it's kind of glitchy. For example, I was kind of playing. I was playing game and accidentally moved it to the Mac. And then I wasn't able to get it back to the Linux. That was kind of tricky. Okay. So, yeah, I will say that kind of Grok bot is nice, that it can do this kind of thing. Cloud at the moment can't do exactly the same thing. I didn't see basically doing, but it's kind of more for kind of code writing, you know, something like that. Yeah, when I'm playing game, I definitely should disable it. Absolutely, yes, yes, yes. How's your success with Grok? Well, we are trying to kind of figure out the right task for it to do. Currently, I think it kind of looks okay-ish. Kind of working on my YouTube channel now. So, do we do dev in KMP? Hey, hello, Tommy. Kotlin multi-platform. I used it a little bit, but no. I think Logi MX XM has software support for multi-devices, including copy-paste. It is, but I don't know current state of it, but it was working only with Logitech keyboards. So I don't want only to move cursor around in between screens. I want to kind of connect keyboard automatically as well, and all the products that we mentioned so far do that. Deskflow, for example, do that. Synergy do that. Barrier do that. I don't know current status for Logi application, but I remember that for a while ago it was basically that you have to have basically set Logitech keyboard and Logitech mouse to kind of get it working, you know. I was accidentally able to make Cloud break Apple Music DRM. Oh, interesting. I was happy to keep going without complaining. It was happy to keep going. Nice. Yeah. I had MX keys, but I had MX keys mechanic and I had MX keys like regular, but I gifted away that MX keys regular and I sold MX keys mechanic before I moved to Thailand. Those wasn't my favorite keyboards. Those weren't my favorite keyboards. I liked this one better for low profile mechanical keyboard, which is Melgeek O2. I think it's nice. I like it better as a mechanical keyboard. Logitech Mechanics, it was very scratchy. I kind of didn't really like them. And just Logitech, yeah. So yeah, I will say for that price there are better keyboards. MX keys. Yeah, if you like those low profile MX keys keyboards, those are good. MX keys mechanic, I think there are better mechanical keyboards for cheaper price. It was something like 200 something euros keyboard. I think then, I don't know, add a little bit more and buy hacker keyboard, or spend half of that and buy Melgeek O2, it was 100, something like that. IR75, another good kind of low profile candidate, again, half of the price of MX Mechanics. That's also Nufi IR75. I had Nufi IR75 first and second generation. I still have second generation back at home in Latvia. And I was kind of on the fence about buying third generation when I was here in Thailand, but I bought Melgeek keyboard just to try something else. I have second generation, which I like it better than third. Oh, interesting. I didn't try third generation, but second generation is great and it is better than first generation. I have second generation back at home in Riga. Okay, Grok bot is kind of working on the description, which is cool. Let's keep it cooking. I use third gen of what? Nufi IR or MX keys? I just don't know if MX keys has generations. MX keys is great keyboard for those who like MX keys keyboards, and they are not bad. I just prefer like more like mechanic keyboards. MX keys and mouse. Okay. Yeah, MX keys is great keyboard. If you like low profile like membrane keyboards, way better than Apple keyboards, I think, and I like them, but I just prefer mechanical keyboards. That's it. Apple keyboards are awful. Yeah, I don't like them as well. Yeah, and price also kind of doesn't make much sense. I don't know. Oh no, this one. Updating iTerm 2, really? Why? Okay. No, I wanted to kill Excel. All sessions will be closed. Yeah, sure. We are not doing anything anyways. Okay. We don't need actually anything of those. I don't know why did we have open all of that. Only focus, really. Text edits, no. Yeah, this is fine. Mechanical keyboard sounds good when typing. Yeah, sure. And also response is nice, yeah. The best keyboard is in ThinkPad laptops, even better than MX keys. I liked using the ThinkPad that G point. How do you name those? ThinkPad point, ThinkPad. How they name their pointing stick. Yes. Those are basically nice. When I was using the Windows laptops, I liked Lenovo as well. Yeah, ThinkPad those are great, yeah. Lenovo are nice computers, like them. Key orgasm, Jesus. Oh my god. How you use it? Keychron. Yes, I have used Keychron. I had Keychron K6. That was awful keyboard, not good keyboard. That was very first mechanical keyboard I bought, and it is not great. But I had also Keychron, that Electron whatever switches, one from the maybe a year ago, and that was a good one. I really liked it. That was a great one. Not the G point keyboard itself. Okay. The red button in the middle of Lenovo ThinkPad keyboard is called track point. Okay, we figured that out. Nice. Is the distro running on my gaming PC? Yes, the Omarchy is running on this box. I could not help myself and change a lot of my stuff on Omarchy, like debugging. It's okay. Yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of. Are you now in Latvia or back in Thailand? I'm Omarchy, yeah, Omarchy. Ciao, Andy. Omarchy. Right, Omarchy. I knew it. I saw the DHH interview on the Prime Green podcast, and they discussed about this pronunciation. I totally forgot. Omarchy. Omarchy. Right. Omarchy. Yeah. That's right. I was in Latvia for a little bit more than months, but now I'm back in Thailand. Why are you changing it so long? I don't know what takes so much time. I can basically. Okay. Boba is lazy. They got their foundation with 10 millions. I heard about 9 millions, but yeah, maybe it's 10 already. I don't think so, about this kind of flipping windows and so on. 10 millions is kind of nothing, to be honest. Okay, it's big money, but what we comparing with, if we're comparing with Apple and Microsoft budgets, what is 10 millions, Yeah, I heard more about 9 or 8 millions, not 10. And yeah. And flipping Windows one day, I don't think so. Windows is, most of the users on Windows are not developers or gamers or whatever, most of them are just like, random office computer, whenever, everywhere around the world. All of those are Windows computers. Why should they switch to Linux? For what reason? I don't see that happening, to be honest. That's just another distro, hyped, currently popular, that's it. I don't think that will change anything. I don't think that will change for real something generally, like. Few millions versus billions. Exactly, Tommy, yeah. Flipping Windows will not happen, absolutely not. Omarchy, it's probably more like Stanley Cups for an iPhone. Yes. It's more than this, in this case they're pulling money up to support open cores. Yes, but so Nvidia recently were walking below Main Street. Yeah, that was months ago probably. Sysadmin on Windows PC. Yeah. Do you have links to your keyboard? This one is forgot the name. Jesus, it was Melgeek. Melgeek 02. Just Google it. Melgeek 02. So yeah, I don't think any kind of disk Windows flipping or whatever happening. It's kind of just not really kind of realistic. Windows is too big to really care at all about all of that. I think if you never worked with other developers in team project, you lack a lot of skills of working with an AI that's writing code. Yeah, okay. Statement. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of Omarchy is cool. I like it, but I could agree with everyone who kind of saying that it is just like a little bit hyped distro. It's a little bit more. Of course, there is money behind it. They have 5 years plan now. They will kind of go and work on it, but that's kind of opinionated distro, which you may like or may not like. And yeah, hopefully this hype will kind of get more people on Linux. They got me on Linux. I was kind of curious to try, but I don't know. I don't see, for example, my kids using Linux for any reason, right? Or I don't know, anyone else in my family. Like, it's still for geeks, you know? I think so. And like companies switching to Omarchy, like corporations, like, I don't think that's happening as well. I will be very kind of surprised if that will happen, and I don't mind that happening. That's kind of, yeah, nice thing, but I don't see any company will switch to Omarchy. The DHH was asked about, okay, what is your QA process for the product? And he said, oh, first of all, that's me who is basically testing it every day, installing on different machines. And then we have a great community. Imagine that speech in some corporate kind of meeting room. It's kind of, oh, switch to our distro from your kind of Windows machines to this nice looking Omarchy, because why? Never will happen. Most companies that let you switch to Linux force you to use Ubuntu. Yeah, something like that, whatever. Ubuntu, whatever, Red Hat, Debian, I don't know. It will never happen. And most IT departments in most companies do not want their users in Linux. Absolutely not. Oh, it's rain again. It seems to me after switching to Omarchy OS, the voice has been changed. What voice? What are you talking about? Are you talking about sound on the stream? We have different microphones, that's not related to Omarchy. I just want to have Windows Trash OS to be dethroned. I don't think that will happen. I understand you, but let me say so. I do not see any signs about that happening anytime soon. Okay, it did better job with thumbnail, which is cool. I don't think that's a good title, to be honest. My current employer told me, which MacBook do you want? So I went with 16-inch MacBook Pro M4. Nice. Why M4? Why not M5? Price, budget probably, right? Yeah, that's microphone. We have a microphone here. This one is going to the Mac and is used for basically dictation only. But actually we can remove it and basically sound is the same because we are using different. We are using this microphone. Is it sound better, worse, same? How do you feel about it? Have you seen the video where a guy used Amazon shopping helper Alexa to do let code and created YouTube thumbnails? No. That was basically okay, understood, yeah. M5 wasn't out yet. Nice. Cool. It just has echo to it. Yeah, of course, because this microphone was very closer and this was dynamic microphone and that is basically in hand's length from me. That's obviously will sound better. I probably should switch them around. I should use this USB microphone for stream and that microphone for whatever dictation and everything. Steam adding support for many games on Linux is having greater effect on Linux market shares than Omarchy will have in next couple years. Yeah, I absolutely agree on that. Which is actually interesting about gaming on Linux. I was doing a gaming stream yesterday. Basically, I was streaming Ark Raiders and after that off stream I played Red Dead Redemption on Omarchy. And it was working just great, no problems at all, absolutely. Yeah, Epic and Fortnite is coming to Omarchy and Linux as well, so it's kind of cool. Okay, I will say that sheesh, the rain. Bring this out. I could keep that rain on SMR for you, but then I need to keep windows open and then hot air coming in, so no chance. And when just all the scales of all I was messing with it and had some decent results of cybersecurity outputs. And that's not for me, but yeah, okay. Okay, interesting. Shortly when we publish that video, actually, let me see. This one is going out 28. What is today? 25. I think we can just flip that to the public. Done. I don't think any of those videos will get many views. Those are just kind of relatively boring point of view videos, just kind of riding through, but you never know. And this maybe will get a little bit more views, and we'll see what to do next. But some shorts are performing okay-ish. For new fresh channel, I think that's not bad. 500 views, 700 views, so it's kind of doing something. Okay, this is published today. Yeah, August 25. That's fine. This will go 26. That's also today. That's 28. Sure, okay. We'll need to add some more videos. Oh, I forgot that I'm not sharing the screen. Sorry, guys. Pro streamer here. So yeah. Yeah, I just flipped the switch and this video is going to the public. And it has 3 views so far, but one of that is from bot, another one from me. But that's alright. Yeah, we have quite a few shorts, not many, really few shorts here, but they're kind of doing alright. Okay. So just for a reminder, we are talking now with Grok bot, and I'm kind of pushing it to make money, to pay its own bill. And currently it's kind of trying, right? So currently we are kind of trying with him to figure out maybe he can basically help me to push this application. I don't know, we'll see how that works. Next is a named place, not another commute. Yeah, basically that's kind of I kind of agreed that that's something that we could do for marketing. So basically there are kind of points of interest in the application. You can go to the app and go, for example, Bangkok Eat, and then you can go to eating places, and okay, if there is places that I visited there, you will see basically my photos and what else not. This one, for example, is a cool one. And can we flip those photos? Yeah, we can. That's me. And yeah, basically there are kind of like places where to go, like for eating or for whatever, sunsets, what else not. Streets and markets. Giant market, for example, kind of cool place. Like it here. But yeah. Illinois. I think we probably should go maybe next week, do some exploration. That's my wife, by the way, if you wonder. And that's just a random guy. And yeah. So I think I probably should like record video where we're basically going and exploring those places, what else not. But that's basically task for me. I'm just kind of asking what bot can do for me. I'm kind of curious what, okay, yeah, sure, go and record another video, that absolutely makes sense, but, I can't write it, that's fine, okay. I can make the videos you already have covered and have the next 3 ready to publish. Okay, basically you can help with publishing videos. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, I would say it's kind of nice functionality that you have like computer in cloud, and then this Grok bot can work on this computer and basically do stuff that you kind of saying to do. But if I kind of have to say, is it basically smarter or better than cloud code or codex? I do not see that yet, to be honest. By the way, do not fall into the distro hopping rabbit hole. It's really bad. No, I don't think so. I'm thinking that I may bounce back to Windows from Omarchy, but I do not see why I will jump to, I don't know, whatever, Ubuntu or Arch or whatever. Because with Omarchy, which is what is nice, you can basically have this kind of very kind of built-in AI, and you can basically ask it to do all the stuff for you without kind of real need to basically go and basically do everything kind of manually, which is kind of cool. But I don't know, I do not see myself jumping to another distro, unlikely. I'm kind of already questioning, okay, I have this Omarchy and kind of why? I do not hate Windows enough to be super happy of kind of getting off the Windows. So for me it's kind of, okay, it's kind of cool, but let's be honest. It's just like for fun. because to get real work done, I still need Mac. And I don't really need Windows. Not Windows, I mean Linux. That's just for fun. That's just for fun. And it's absolutely not bad to have like something like that, like fun or something, but that's kind of doesn't make much sense to kind of jump to another kind of distro or something. Okay, this is released. Oh, actually, I totally forgot we still didn't log in into the. We still didn't log in into the App Store Connect, and I still didn't release. I still didn't release the app. Can we do that now, please? Yeah, fine. Here we go. Release this version everywhere. I updated design for this version. So design was kind of dated, and so now it is just kind of better. Nothing crazy, but it's better than it was before. And maybe, hopefully, we will get some downloads and maybe some sales on, I don't know, New Year, when everyone will jump on new fasting plans, what else not. The only reason for me to be on Windows is sim racing, and I have a dedicated computer for that. Real work is done on Mac as well, but I want to play around more with KMP and move my productivity maybe at some point over to Linux again. Yeah, I could, you know, like some, I don't know, task management, what else not, but I don't know. Learn how to use the BTRFS snapshots. Okay, I have no idea what it is, but I will Google. BTRFS snapshots. Copy. Are you using M4 Pro? No, I'm using M3 Max. Instant space efficient point of time copies of subvolume. Yeah, I could, I kind of guess that it is something like that. File system. Yeah, but it already kind of doing, Omarchy already doing some kind of snapshots before updates and something else, but yeah. Yeah, for rollbacks and what else not. Yeah, they do that before updates, but it's good idea to keep it once in a day or and once a week, so Without pruning. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, I should do that, absolutely. Well, we are still on... We are flying just whatever. Uptime, basically 2 days. 2 days on Omarchy. Codex on your Omarchy can do it for you. Alright, right. It's basically my way of working here in Omarchy. Can we do daily snapshots? Probably it will understand what I'm asking about. If not, like this kind of built-in codex where you can throw whatever you need to do with the system, I will probably kind of give up to Linux already, but with built-in codex it's so easy, you just say whatever, do this, do that, and you're getting results. System already using Vision Snapper, but I'm actually configured only 5 update recovery snapshots. Scheduled timeline snapshots are disabled. 1 snapshot per day with 7 daily snapshots. Retain it while keeping the existing update snapshots and cleanup timer. Perfect. So we are getting that. Enter password. Okay, secret part. The secret, right? Okay, Ivers, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Wrong. Another password, really? The screen on your desktop is slightly cut off on the right. Really? Let me see. Yeah, it was kind of supposed to be a chat here. We can basically do that stuff like that. Yeah. I'm liking the fonts here. So it's showing live and all the OBS. Yeah, okay. Let's keep it like that now. So we're done. Daily midnight thing. Next one tonight. Kind of cool. Yeah, it's super cool, yeah. And yeah, it was like, oh, Jesus, it's kind of not good when you have OBS on the screen. Okay. When you go out, write those 3 from your own map. Okay. Yeah, I don't like square corners as well, but here in Windows I see. I like how it is rounded in Mac. in open code, Neuroton something agent is giving 550 billion token and it's free. What? Rounded corners everywhere. Ah, okay. Okay. Can we get rounded? Yeah, I don't know. Currently, I would say that this here actually, I mean, this layout, those kind of pointy corners looks okay. We'll see how that will look rounded. Oh, here we have. Now rounded is better. I am with you, Tommy. Rounded is better. Here we are. Rounded is better. I like it. Oh, that was amazing suggestions. 2 of them. Cool. I like it. Have you tried local send yet? No. I know about that. I know that such thing exists, local send. I saw that in the apps, but I never tried. Save a link, settings. I didn't try, it's kind of first time me trying it. Okay, let's go to the another window. Receive a link. I didn't configure it. I assume that it's kind of similar to the airdrop. Airdrop, but for everything. Yeah, I understood, yeah. I use it on Mac to communicate with my Android phone. I kind of like this Boba Grok chat. You can basically send it to do stuff which kind of needs like real computer somewhere else, and it doesn't kind of trigger your local from nearby devices. Should I install application on the iOS? Local send. Oh, shish. Settings. Device name. I don't see kind of... Oh, here is some info. No. No. You know, I will go. Oh, local send works. Yeah, the question is, do I need the app on iPhone? Because I kind of... Okay, App Store. I just typed local send on iOS search, and usually, you know, it's open the App Store. But this time, I just got kind of explanation from Siri what it is. Oh yeah, here it is. I see. Cross-platform file sharing. Let's download. Yeah, I'm getting it. Installing. Got it. It's cool. That's actually should work on my Windows machine as well, which is nice. Yeah. Open. Hint Mango. Nice name. Where it is? Let's try to send something. Media. Nearby devices. Why don't I see you? I see some computer here. Oh, maybe we are not at the same Wi-Fi. Skynet 5G, and which one do I use? Wi-Fi. Okay, no, Big Shell has crashed. Oh, what was that? OBS Studio disconnecting, reconnecting. Do we have stream running? Oh, sheesh. Are we? Nice, still working. That was cool. Stream just crashed because of this kind of thing. Oh my gosh. Book is on first floor, actually. Yeah, quick shell broke. Oh, it's now open at cloud for some reason. Did I switch from codecs to cloud? I don't know. Didn't have that before yet. Tommy, look, it's just coming, you know. But we got the image. Kind of works. Can I somehow? Oh, it opened it more bazillion times. Okay. Is it in pictures? Probably. No. Where did we save it? The downloads? Yeah, downloads. Can I make it somehow? What is that thing? Is that how you open this? Okay, image viewer. I think that was image viewers that we are using here. I don't know, it's somehow dumb. It's horrible app. Oh, nice. We can kind of move it around, like hide it here. Oh, so nice. That's amazing functionality. Love it. Jesus. Yeah, photo viewer is shit for real. Hint image edit. I think Chromium could do better job opening it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. In the image editor, what's that? Okay, here at least I assume you will be able to... Jesus. Oh, Jesus, that's scrolling in between screens. Amazing. I assume it's that you can... Yeah, control zoom works. Yep. Okay, here at least you can basically zoom in and do something else, but... Did it work? Yes, it did, it works, it's kind of nice. It works. Okay, guys, it's fun. I will keep playing around with stuff. But I had to go. What is the reason to switch to the Linux? Oh, that's an amazing question, and only Foxbit can answer on that. Well, I used Linux. Sorry, I used Windows before on this gaming PC. This gaming PC was just Linux before. Now it's dual boot, Linux and Windows. And why? That's an amazing question. And Foxbit has amazing answer to that. That's the right one. Low. Okay, let's try. Okay, I do not find it in the apps, so I should kind of go somewhere to install it. Install package development editor terminal gaming AI. Okay. Later. Okay, we successfully crashed stream on Linux, which is kind of cool, and that was fault of the Linux that we crashed, but otherwise it was kind of decent experience, I would say. It was working just fine. I have to go now. Let me see, do we have anyone to raid? Do we have any friends streaming? Any friends? No, I see only gaming streams from guys who I'm following. I will just drop the ball, sorry guys. I'm looking in suggestion streams. Basically, there is one girl who is basically writing like learning how to run. Jesus. It's bad. Suggestions. Just chatting. Those are suggested. Yeah. I do not feel kind of good to drop the random stream. So I'm just dropping the ball and leaving. Foxbit should stream, absolutely, but he don't. He streamed a little bit in Discord, like secretly. So he should move over to Twitch and start streaming for real. That could be cool. Okay, I have to go now. Have a nice day, everyone. See you